Good morning once again from Lake Ohrid in Macedonia, pearl of the Balkans, although not so sparkling today because it's a little cloudy overhead. Currently stopped at the Bay of Bones. We're on a boat tour on our way to the St Naum Monastery. I'm not paying to go in, I'm being cheap today. So we'll just go and have a look around as much as we can for free. Let's go. Houses you can see on the lake are in fact just a reconstruction of a Paleolithic settlement, or evidence of a Paleolithic settlement that was previously found there. Back on the boat now and ready to head over to the monastery. I forgot to mention this morning that I'm no longer on my own. You want to say hello? Accompanied by a horn from the boat next to us as well. Ride. We leave at 10 AM every morning from the dock in Ohrid. €15 or 900 Macedonian dinar, depending on which currency you want to use. No need to pre-book, just walk up, pay for a ticket, jump on. Now off to the monastery, let's go. Stepped off the boat now at the final stop. There's some springs, a monastery that dates back to the year 905. Let's go and have a look around. After the scare on the way here with the dodgy looking clouds, the weather's come out beautiful. I might even go for a swim. Having a wander around now through this beautiful lake garden avenue lined with trees before we make our way up to St Naum Monastery. I was only joking when I was talking about going for a swim, but there is people out there. I'm kind of thinking about it now. Just before you enter the monastery, in this little garden, we're met by these particularly cool looking waterfalls. Obviously man-made, but beautiful nonetheless. reached the monastery. Very serene and quiet in it. I feel a bit of a twat with a selfie stick out, but the things you do to be a YouTuber. Well, that was a little bit anticlimactic. There was signs warning about the dangers of peacocks, and I was preparing myself to meet lethal peacocks, and I can't find any around, so I'm docking a point because I wanted to see the evil peacocks. Found one of the dangerous peacocks. He doesn't seem very dangerous, to be honest. He doesn't seem like he's very interested in being on camera either, so. Rumours of dangerous peacocks have been greatly exaggerated. He ran away from me, so. That's all for today. We're going to jump on the boat now and head back to Ohrid. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more travel adventures, and I'll see you next time. Trying to film here, mate.